Let's have a closer look at the Tenergy Centura rechargeable battery. I actually needed rechargeable batteries that retain their power while not in use and also while they're in storage. Plus about these batteries, they're low self discharge NiMH rechargeable. Another plus about these batteries, they actually can recharge over 2,100 times. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.